Deep in the heart of Idaho and the scenic Sawtooth National Forest lies Soldier Mountain Ski Area. The striking mountains soar above 10,000 feet. It's here in the Sawtooth Mountains that the Soldier Mountain Guided Cat opens up a pure powder paradise in Idaho's pristine backcountry. A team of expert guides takes a group of 12 snowboarders and skiers for a full day exploring 2,000 acres. Ride along with me on a catboarding day in Soldier Mountain's backcountry, through open bowls, rolling glades, and the steepest backcountry chutes in Idaho.
This is amazing! This is Jennifer, and this is a great day to be on Soldier Mountain. We're in the backcountry with the Soldier Mountain Cat.
Located 100 miles east of Boise and 65 miles west of Sun Valley, Soldier Mountain Ski Area has 1,100 acres and 3 lifts, topping out at 7,200 feet. The Cat takes the group around the easterly facing bowl and the trio of peaks above the resort at 10,000 feet. A catboarding day starts with an early call time at the lodge to gear up and complete an avalanche safety overview before driving up the mountain with your snow squad. Don't be late. The Cat is your home base for the day, and anytime you need a break, you can stay on board and sit out a run. Snowboard boots make it easy to climb in and out. The Cat is also where you'll eat a brown bag lunch on your way up the slope. Inside, there are comfortable seats for everyone in the main cabin, and the snowboards and skis are loaded into an exterior basket. The seat with the best view is up front with the driver.
Snow conditions are really good. There are some track areas that are prone to getting stuck on a snowboard, but you can get through.
Even though you end up waiting before and after each run for guides to survey and set a route, it's all to keep the whole group together and safe. And you always ride with a buddy and still rack up 10 to 15,000 vertical feet and many, many miles of perfect powder turns.
Oh my gosh, that was cool. That's what I like. We got mostly bluebird day here. Got a good top section of powder. Takes about maybe 15 to 20 minutes each time we're on the Cat, and then runs are a little bit shorter than that.
Conditions are variable, so only 1 in 5 days will get this clear bluebird sky view, so we lucked out. The guides scout out the best routes for snow and avalanche safety. We were able to do Big Bowl, which is only open about 5% of the time. They recommend being an expert level rider or skier for everyone to really enjoy the day. One thing that may be obvious, but I should mention, this is true backcountry. There are no facilities beyond the base lodge. It's deep, snowy wilderness for 6 hours. The guides will keep everyone at the back of the Cat whenever a woman needs to pee, and guys have their pick of the trees. Time for me to head down the mountain and catch up with the group. This is Jennifer with Snowboard Traveler. Check out snowboardtraveler.com for more info, subscribe to see where we ride next, and thanks for watching!
You gotta fall at least once, right?